he
UK?
just asked me, the details which were asked were only the name,
Hmm.
then gender, and the age. That's all. Only these three things. He just looked at my. He asked me to close my eyes, and for a few, maybe not even 2 minutes, I think, less than 3 minutes. Then he asked me to take a paper and note down some certain points like anxiety, sleep disturbance, digestion, body stiffness, sometimes headache, dryness in the skin, palpitation, urine incontinence, vitamin D, vitamin B12, cholesterol, Vikruti. Then he asked me to tell my opinion. I mean, whether I'm really facing all that. So anxiety, I said I'm cool, but I'm getting angry these days a lot. Small things within at husband. Maybe this is one thing which any no allopathic doctor can tell just by seeing me, not even doing the nadi pariksha. Uh, uh, but as far as I mean, cool. I'll be always cool. But recently, for small things, I'm getting angry. Maybe I don't know what level of anxiety. He said maybe that is what something which I not aware of it. Digestion problem is there. According to Ayurvedic, if you are going to toilet once in a day, that is called constipation. You are supposed to go to toilet twice, it seems, as per Ayurveda. Somewhere I have read. So this digestion problem I am having. Then body stiffness. Yes, I could feel the stiffness while doing the yogasanas. I have after this knee pain joy started. I'm doing less yoga. Actually, no yoga only I should say. But during the AMP, when I was trying to do, or now and then when I'm trying to do it at home, I can find the difference in my body before and now, before 5 years and now. So this he could tell correctly. Body stiffness. Then headache also. Recently, I never used to get a headache. Now, recently, 2, 3 times I got. Then I was thinking of going for that ozone treatment also, which I have heard through Guruji. So this diagnosis is correct. Sometimes headache I'm having now. Dryness in the skin. He has not even seen me properly. Only that face he could see, isn't it? But even the Nadi Pariksha, they have told dryness in the skin. And I know that I used to tell my friends, actually, I am from basically from Hyderabad. After marriage, I came to Chennai. I used to tell that Chennai weather suits me because here humidity is more. Whereas the weather in Hyderabad, it is dry. So I know that my body is dry, but I never bothered about applying any ointment or anything. Only in winter, applying cold cream. So both in Nadi Pariksha and in this Doot Nadi also, they could tell that this dryness in the skin, then urine incontinence. This also developed recently and he could diagnose it correctly. It's really wonder. I don't know how they do it. Then regarding vitamin D, vitamin B12 and cholesterol, he asked me to get them checked. And it is true that I'm having cholesterols for the past 10 years. But till past 5 months only, I have started taking medicine for cholesterol.
अभी अभी आपने ये दूध नाड़ी का फीडबैक सुना। अगर आप भी दूध नाड़ी परीक्षण कराना चाहते हैं, ये फीडबैक आपको अच्छा लगा, तो आपको करना क्या है, इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दूध नाड़ी का लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे जाके अपने आप को रजिस्टर कीजिए और उसका जो रिसिप्ट आता है वो इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का भी लिंक दिया है, वहाँ पे जाके आप डाल सकते हैं। 24 घंटे के अंदर आपका नंबर आ जाता है, डॉक्टर आपको आपके मोबाइल में व्हाट्सएप मैसेज करते हैं, वहाँ पे आपसे टाइमिंग पूछते हैं और आपका दूध नाड़ी परीक्षण हो जाता है। मेक श्योर आप 2 घंटा खाली पेट रहें जिस वक्त आपका दूध नाड़ी परीक्षण हो रहा हो। और इसके बाद जो वो मेडिसिन सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं श्री श्री तत्वा के, वो भी ज़रूर लें। ये गुरुदेव का श्री श्री वेलबींग का इनिशिएटिव है, इसको और ज़्यादा लोगों तक फैलाएं, ये सेवा ज़रूर कीजिए। आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय गुरुदेव।